Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 10th question in exercise 9.1. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the tops of the poles are 60 and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the points from the poles. So first let's draw this as a diagram. You have two poles of equal heights. So I'm drawing two poles of equal height between a road which is 80 meters long. Somewhere in this road from a point here, the angle of elevation of these two poles are marked here. So I'm going to mark one side as 60 degrees, the other side as 30 degrees. Remember, whichever side you mark, the answer will still be the same. Let's mark the vertices. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. So we don't know the height of the pole, so I'm marking that as height H. And since the poles are of equal heights, both sides I'm marking as H. Now what is given? The distance of the road, that is BD, is 80 meters. I'm marking BC as X, which takes CD as 80 minus X. Now let's try to calculate the value of H and dx. Okay, so in triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is going to be equal to AB by BC, which is root 3 is equal to H by X. So H is equal to X root 3. We are going to use this value later, so let's just highlight that. Now, in triangle CDE, tan 30 degrees is going to be equal to DE divided by CD. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to H divided by 80 minus X. So cross multiply, 80 minus X is equal to H root 3. Now I'm going to put this value of H of X root 3 here. So 80 minus X is equal to, H itself is X root 3. You have another root 3. So this will become 3X. So 80 is equal to 4X, which means X is equal to 20. So it looks like from a point BC here, this point is 20. So CD will be 80 minus 20. So this point is 60. Now what is going to be the height of the building or the pole? So H is equal to X root 3. X we found out to be 20. So the height of the pole is equal to 20 root 3 meters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 11th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.